to our video. Today we will make a video on vegan sushi rolls, a delightful and innovative take on traditional sushi that represents the perfect fusion of plant-based goodness and Japanese culinary artistry. These rolls encapsulate the essence of sushi, replacing fish with a medley of vibrant vegetables, marinated tofu, and tempeh, all enveloped in seasoned sushi rice and wrapped in sheets of nori seaweed. Let's dive into the video. Wait! Before starting the vegan meal plan video, I introduce you with alpha-liin, which will help you to lose weight naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Ingredients: sushi rice, nori seaweed sheets, sliced vegetables, cucumber, avocado, carrots, marinated tofu or tempeh, vegan mayo or sriracha optional, soy sauce. For dipping, pickled ginger and wasabi optional brie. Cook sushi rice and season it with a mixture of rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. Prepare your fillings by slicing veggies and marinating tofu or tempeh. Lay nori on a bamboo sushi mat with plastic wrap. Spread a thin layer of rice on the nori, leaving an inch at the top. Add your fillings in the center. Roll tightly using the bamboo mat, moistening the top edge to seal. Slice into bite-sized pieces and serve with soy sauce. Optional, drizzle with vegan mayo or add sriracha for extra flavor. Ready to shed those extra pounds and trim that stubborn belly fat naturally. Click the link below to discover a proven science-backed method to achieve your weight loss goals while maintaining a healthy, sustainable lifestyle. Thanks for watching. To view more exciting videos like this, please hit the like button, comment us, share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.